The blue whale, Balaenoptera musculus, also known as the whale lord, is a species of whale belonging to the suborder Mysticeti, baleen whales. Measuring up to 33.5 meters, 110 feet in length, and weighing around 200 tons, 220 short tons, or even more, it is the largest animal ever known to exist and the heaviest creature to have ever lived. The body of the blue whale is long and slender, with a slightly blue-gray color on the back and lighter shades on the belly. There are at least 3 subspecies of blue whale: Balaenoptera musculus, found in the North Atlantic and North Pacific Oceans; Balaenoptera musculus intermedia, residing in the Southern Ocean; and Balaenoptera musculus brevicorda, dwarf blue whale, found in the Indian Ocean and Southern Pacific Ocean. Like other whale species, their diet mainly consists of plankton and small crustaceans. Before the 20th century, blue whales existed in large numbers in most of the world's oceans. However, over the past 100 years, they were hunted to the brink of extinction until they were protected by international law in 1966. According to a report in 2002, there were approximately 5,000 to 12,000 individuals living worldwide, including at least 5 populations. Before intense hunting began, the largest population of blue whales in the Southern Ocean was estimated to be around 239,000 individuals, ranging from 202,000 to 311,000. Smaller populations, about 2,000 individuals, are concentrated in the northeastern Pacific and Antarctic waters. There are 2 populations in the North Atlantic and at least 2 more in the Southern Hemisphere. By 2014, the population of blue whales in California had recovered to nearly pre-hunting levels. The blue whale belongs to the family Balaenopteridae, which includes the humpback whale, fin whale, bride's whale, sei whale, and minke whale. Balaenopteridae is believed to have diverged from other families within the suborder Mysticeti around the middle of the Oligocene epoch, 28 million years ago. The blue whale is the largest known animal in the history of the Earth. One of the largest dinosaurs from the Mesozoic era, Argentinosaurus, weighed only 90 tons, which is equivalent to an average blue whale. Blue whales have a massive, elongated, and streamlined body that helps them glide through the water with ease. They possess a grayish-blue smooth skin and a lighter-colored belly, along with a series of pleats on their throat that can expand 4 times their normal size when feeding. The tail of the blue whale is flat and divided into 2 flukes, which help propel their bulky body through the pressure of the water. Blue whales belong to the toothless whale family, meaning that instead of teeth, they have about 395 baleen plates in their upper jaw, which are used to filter food from the water. Like their relatives, blue whales also have 2 blowholes on their backs, used to expel stale air and seawater from their lungs when they surface to breathe. In the first 7 months after birth, a baby blue whale drinks about 400 liters, 110 US gallons of milk each day, resulting in a rapid weight gain of around 90 kilograms, 200 pounds, every 24 hours. Even at birth, it already weighs 2,700 kilograms, 6,000 pounds, equivalent to the weight of an adult hippopotamus. Blue whales have relatively small brains, 6.92 kilograms or 15.26 pounds, which is about 0.007% of their body weight. Their penises are also the largest of any living creature and hold the Guinness World Record for the longest penis. The average length varies but is typically around 2.4 meters, 8 feet, to 3.0 meters, 10 feet. Although they don't have actual teeth, blue whales are classified as carnivores. They rely on a diet primarily consisting of mollusks, small crustaceans, and occasionally small fish. Blue whales feed by swimming towards a school of prey and the folds in their throats allow them to expand their mouths, taking in a huge gulp of water into the food storage pouch created in their lower jaws before closing their mouths. The water is then expelled, but thousands of tiny organisms are trapped by the baleen plates that filter their food, which are then swallowed. Blue whales can consume up to 40 tons of prey daily during the summer months in nutrient-rich cold waters. While blue whales eat an enormous amount of food in the summer, they eat very little when they migrate to warmer waters in the winter. An adult blue whale can consume up to 40 million krill in a day. They always feed in areas with the highest density of krill, occasionally consuming up to 3,600 kilograms, 7,900 pounds of krill in a single day. The energy requirement for an adult blue whale is about 1.5 million kilocalories. Their food intake varies seasonally. They typically need to consume a large amount of krill in the nutrient-rich cold waters of the Southern Ocean before migrating to warmer waters near the equator to breed. Blue whales usually dive down to 100 meters, 330 feet, to feed during the day, while at night, this activity primarily occurs near the surface. Typically, they can hunt continuously without coming up for air for 10 minutes, although there are reports of dives lasting up to 21 minutes. Blue whales often inadvertently consume small fish, squid, and other small crustaceans due to their feeding method. Blue whales are often referred to as the wandering singers of the oceans because they can produce infrasonic sounds at a frequency of 14 Hz. They also generate the loudest sound in the world, surpassing even the roar of a jet engine, with an intensity of 200 decibels. In comparison, a human scream is about 70 decibels,